Hey guys, thanks for tuning in, and Mele Kalikimaka, as we say here in Hawaii, or Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from my family to yours. Today I wanted to give away some cool drones for my subscribers only. So if you're subscribed, congratulations. If you're not, you need to subscribe so you can possibly win these two awesome items. We have the Hubsan Zino Mini Pro kit. That's the one with the 3 batteries and the bag and all that stuff. Brand new in the box, these 2 items here. And also the FIMI X8 Mini, which is also a pretty cool drone. I did a review on that one. I'm currently reviewing the Hubsan right now. So go ahead and support the people that are providing the giveaway items for us here. You'll see the Hubsan website and also for the FIMI as well. The website. Go ahead and check the description down below. There'll be details on how to enter to win these 2 awesome drones. And from my family to yours, Mele Kalikimaka! And Happy New Year! Aloha!
Just keep quiet, it's bloopers. Jesus.
You better subscribe.